How to replace your tank and clean your roam.
When replacing the quartz tank, ensure that the tab at the bottom of the quartz tank is aligned with the cavity in the quartz tank cover. Wait at least 5 minutes after heat is deactivated before handling the quartz tank. To clean the tank, set the temperature for 800 degrees and then click the temperature up button one more time. Hold down the power button to engage max manual heat mode and burn off any excess residue. After max cleaning mode, let cool for a couple minutes before applying the cotton swab. Then take a dry cotton swab and clean out the chamber. If there's any additional residue, you can use isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab to clean out the tank cover, and silicone mouthpiece. The silicone airflow channel tubing at the back of the battery can also be removed for cleaning separately. Be sure to activate max heat mode to burn off the isopropyl alcohol and then let cool down for at least 5 minutes before you use it again.